Good afternoon to all traders, our traders. This is the triple Qs on a daily chart. We have broke below that 150 day. We started with the gap down on 920. Now, when we featured, we bought put options up here at the 380. We've been holding them all through the month of September, and we still are holding it. The triple Qs, the 100-day simple moving average at 346. There is more downside in the triple Qs. Yes, you can say that we're oversold. However, with the bond yield screaming higher, we go lower. And that's when the selling stops. So we have more downside. This is that support level. If I pull over the chart, that is where the rally, the last part of the bigger part of the rally started on 6-8. And we went straight up to the top. That was the end of the move. Now, sign up for the trading capital. It takes money to make money. That's what we're here to do. We have workshops we can put you in. We can go over the technicals. We can do everything possible to help you. We've been doing it for 35 years, my friends.